so there's a lot of glare on my glasses, but that's what we're dealing with. Hello pretty people, so this evening we are going to be doing an Angie tutorial, or really the skincare side of my face. I'm going to take these glasses off because I'm about to start anyway. I'm going to start tying my hair up. I like to use one of these coil hairbands. They work so good. I've actually just had my hair cut today. My hair feels so shiny, healthy. Hasn't felt this good in so long. This is basically, I just had a bunch taken off in the front. Right, so I'm going to start by removing my lashes and putting them on the tray that I like to use. This makeup was actually from a tutorial I filmed today, but I just wasn't happy with it. Like I'm quite particular, or I'm trying to be much more particular about my work. Okay, so I'm going to take the Micellar and with a, there you go, this is a Garnier Micellar cleansing water, and with the lighting, I'm sorry that it glares against the packaging, so I'm just going to take some cotton pads. So it wasn't the makeup that I wasn't happy with, it was the actual, yeah, just the video in general. So this is my first video in a long time. And I do apologize. Right, so not all of the products that I am using tonight are like ones, obviously this is to here, this has been used for quite some time. A bunch of other products I've been using have been used for quite some time. These are new. These are the Bioré, the Daily Deep Pore Cleansing Wipes, and they were only like $4 when I bought them, which is why I bought them, because they were cheap. So, oh, they smell nice. So this is the first impression. So I just took the eye makeup off because I had a lot of stubborn product on there, but I've still got my brows and lips. Oh, you know what, that's working quite nicely. And it's just the right amount of moisture. Feels really nice. I really like the smell of these actually. What's the scent?
Two hours later.
Doesn't have a scent name, but they are nice. It's like a green tea smell. I'm not sure. No, it doesn't have a scent on it. I do tend to put some products on the back of my hand and then take a brush and apply it to my face. So I'm going to be taking some lip scrub. This is from Sportsgirl, and because it's lighting, I'm so sorry, the packaging's really hard to see. So I'm going to do a lip scrub. And I find I need to do a lip scrub. Like, my lips are quite, what's the scent? Watermelon. My lips are quite full as it is, but I find when you really scrub them, they kind of, the blood kind of rises to them, because obviously you're pushing a lot of Okay, I'm going to take, this is the Natio, speaking of scrubs, this is the Natio Wellness Body Scrub, and it's an apricot scent. I don't usually like apricots, but I love the scent of them, so, oh my god, it's an amazing smell, and I can smell it like through the plastic. This is my second jar, that's how much I love it. So, the bolts and things that are holding together this shelf is what I keep in here. And because I've moved a couple of times, it comes in handy. So I'm going to apply this on my face, scrub it a little bit, and then I'm going to go and wash off. I'm not going to take the camera with me just because, well, first of all, my bathroom's mank at the moment. And I actually like quite an abrasive scrub on my face. Like, I like it to feel like it's working. Okay, so now I'll wash that off. Feels nice and smooth. I always get like these blackheads underneath my lip. It's not so bad now. I don't usually use a toner. I have been occasionally, but this is drying enough. I do have fairly dry skin, so I don't. It's either going to be one or the other. I'll show you like the toner that I usually use. This is the Natio Ageless Rehydrating Toner, and I'm going to show you what I've been using. I actually have this box. It's just there's a box that some Colourpop products came in. That's what it says. Like, it's made in LA. Some foundation samples and things in here. So I have this. And I went to get a microdermabrasion a couple of months back, and it was the best thing I've done for my skin. I was actually really struggling with my skin. Like, my skin had come up in, it was almost like pimples, like, but all over, and it was never like the actual pussy part of the pimple. It was just like, it was just very lumpy and dry, and so dry. But getting a microdermabrasion was the best thing I've done, and they had like some sort of diamond mask. I can't remember what it was called, but then they gave me a sample of a B3 vitamin serum, and I think this has been working pretty well. Like, I'm almost out of it, so I'm probably gonna have to go and get the proper product. So I've been using quite sparingly because I am almost out. In fact, I am out. Glad I had some for the video though. Because I am beginning to get fine lines here. I am beginning to get a bit of a crease in the frown line, and you can't see it, but I am beginning to get one there and one right there, like the forehead lines, particularly here. I get them like kind of over the eyebrow because my eyebrows are really expressive when I talk, and I do notice because I lift this eyebrow a lot, like that. I have to look in the mirror, I can't do it on the camera. I noticed that lifting, like the actual forehead lifting dramatically, so I am beginning to have concerns about that, about my skin. So that's that, and then I'm going to finish off with, I use this at night and I use this during the day. I love it so much. So I use it underneath my makeup, I put it underneath my primer, and then I use it at night before I go to bed. So this is the Natio Roswater. Okay, so this is the Natio Roswater Hydration Moisture Boost Day Cream Gel, and it's from, yeah, so it's from Natio. But anyway, this is so good, and this set, with the first time that those lumps happened, this saved my skin. This is my second tube since September. And you literally only, it's just showing you. That's about all you need for the whole. You're like a pea size. It's just one of the most amazing, that's pretty much all gone, that's all you need. So I bought that with the Avene, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's just like a thermal spray. Bought that and this together because that's what was recommended to me at the pharmacy. And that saved my skin, and then when this other one happened, that's, yeah, it was what I was using again. I've just continued to use this moisturizer, so. And I reckon the skin problems started from like different shower water. And I think the different products started from like different shower water, like from being here and being at my parents' place, and I don't know. But so I'm essentially showing you what I've been wearing to bed most nights. This jumper is so cute. It's it says good vibes on it, and it was my birthday present. So yeah, so that is pretty much, I'm basically about to hop into bed and watch a Russell Howard DVD. I would like to thank you for watching, and if you have any ideas for videos, let me know. Requests, we'll see. It was interesting to do like an anti-tutorial, so completely the opposite, nighttime routine. I've literally eaten my weight in rice today. I went to a sushi train today, and then I had to take away dinner because I couldn't be screw cooking. Anyway, and I hate myself. It's Friday night. Anyway, it's Friday night on my night off. Anyway, so I'm going to leave it there because you're probably getting sick of me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay classy, kids.